Shutter speed determines how long the camera sensor is exposed to light. It's a core control in photography. Shutter speed controls exposure time, determining how much light hits the camera sensor to create the photo. Shutter speeds range from long 30-second exposures to fast speeds like 1/4000th second. Each setting creates distinct exposure effects. Fast shutter speeds like 1/2000th second freeze subject movement for sharp action shots without motion blur. Using a slow shutter speed like 1/30th second keeps the sensor exposed longer, allowing moving subjects to blur from the motion. Balancing shutter speed with aperture and ISO, known as the exposure triangle, gives photographic control. Adjusting one requires compensating with the others. Shutter priority mode, or TV mode, allows easy control over shutter speed while letting the camera automatically set aperture and ISO for correct exposure. Example photographs demonstrating fast and slow shutter speeds provide visual comparisons, showing how subject motion is impacted. Photographing in low light demands using slower shutter speeds, making tripods essential for sharpness. Wider apertures or higher ISOs are also required. Creative effects like light trails are captured using very slow shutter speeds at night, often 30 seconds or longer, showing the movement over time. Interesting effects like panning to blur backgrounds and using slow speeds to smooth the appearance of waterfalls demonstrate creative shutter speed techniques. Understanding shutter speed expands photographic possibilities. Mastering its core principles allows full creative control when capturing images. Click the button below for more photography tutorials and learning resources to continue expanding your skills. Like and subscribe for more free videos from Photo Discount World in South Africa.